Hi everyone, I'm Brinda Shriyam, currently pursuing my final year graduation in chemistry at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I'm really grateful for this given opportunity to create AI. AI is known as artificial intelligence. Now, I'm going to present an AI on forensic drug chemistry. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the field of computer science that is associated with the concept of machines thinking like human to perform tasks such as learning, planning, problem solving, reasoning, and identifying patterns. The intelligence demonstrated by machines is known as artificial intelligence. Types of artificial intelligence based on capabilities and based on functionalities. Based on capabilities, narrow artificial intelligence, super artificial intelligence, and general artificial intelligence. Based on functionalities, reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self awareness. Applications of artificial intelligence: gaming, astronomy, healthcare, transport, agriculture, education, e commerce, entertainment, robotics, automotive, social media, data security, and finance. How is artificial intelligence connected to chemistry? Artificial intelligence is highly useful when it comes to chemistry and other related topics. Artificial intelligence can help by shifting through molecule properties recorded in existing databases to identify combinations that may have promise as drugs. Originally, research in artificial intelligence applied to chemistry has largely been fueled by the need to accelerate drug discovery and reduce its huge cost and the time to market for new drugs. Artificial intelligence in forensic drug chemistry. Forensic drug chemistry uses a series of processes performed in the field or laboratory to detect the presence or absence of controlled substances. Chemical analysis performed in the laboratory on submitted evidence detects and identifies illegal drugs and helps law enforcement prosecute offenders. This practice uses a variety of chemical analysis methods to conduct both presumptive and confirmatory tests on seized material suspected to be or contain illegal substances. Principles of forensic drug chemistry. Forensic schedules include drugs such as cocaine, heroin, methamphetamines, certain prescription drugs, and marijuana, among many others. The goal of forensic drug chemistry is to determine whether the material submitted contains an illegal substance. Forensic drug chemist analyzes samples of unknown materials including powders, liquids, and stains to determine the chemical identity or characteristics of the compounds that make up the sample. Examples of forensic drug chemistry are narcotics, marijuana, and steroids. Euphoria or high altered sensory perception, sleepiness, disturbed coordination or balance. Examples: marijuana, hashish. Narcotics, general sense of well being, drowsiness, inability to concentrate. Examples: opium, heroin, morphine, methadone, oxycodone. Steroids, mood swings, hostility, impaired judgment, aggression, testosterone. Examples: human growth and steroids. Applications of forensic drug chemistry. Illegal substance can be involved in many types of crime situations, including rape scenes, overdoses, burglaries, murder scenes, clandestine drug manufacturing such as methamphetamine labs, domestic and other abuse scenes, traffic accidents, and many others. In crimes where illegal drugs are involved, punishments are more severe than non drug related crimes. I hope everyone have understood about artificial intelligence in forensic drug chemistry. Thank you all for your patient listening.